Hello everyone, today I'm going to give a demo of Braille to text and voice conversion using convolutional neural net. So in this project we have collected initially dataset of each character. So here you can see the 26 characters we have collected the dataset. So in the form of 4 cross 300 till Z we have collected, and this is can go for the training code. So this is the training code. Here we have mentioned the target 26 and the folder dataset. So here we are loading the dataset and converting the images into array conversion. And here we are printing the total categories, images, and training and testing images. So in this we are converting images into 3D and 4D tensor. After that we are displaying the graph of accuracy, validation accuracy. And in this we have mentioned the layers. Convolutional one and two layers, and flatten is used for one dimensional. And here we use model.fit. So in this we are splitting the dataset into train tensors and train targets, and validation split 30% out of 100%. After that, once training completed, the model will be saved in the form of train model.html. Click on run the model. So here you can see the 26 categories, total images, and training and testing images. So here we mentioned epoch 10. To epoch 1 question completed, the training process will be continued. So here you can see the graph of train and validation based on this values. Now click on file, that one. So here we are loading the model and the class labels. Here we are pre-processing the simple images. Click on run model. So you can upload the images. Click on this, select any image, click on open. So you will get the once you have selected the images, each character, each word into the characters into in the form of 4 cross 300. After splitting, it will form the text or word, and it will give the audio form. Here you can see it will split each word into the characters, predicted characters. After that, it will join these letters and it will give the voice form. You can check for another input. Upload the image. Select any one of the images from the desktop. So here you can see the selected word, it will split into the characters in the form of 4 cross 300. So you can see the recognized word hello.